How to pick out the perfect size helmet? Well, there's a lot of things to consider, but today we at Bikester Global are going to teach you how to do exactly that. Buying a loose helmet is a big no-no because it's just not going to serve the purpose. On high speeds, it's going to wobble a lot and you really don't want that now, do you? And you really don't want a tight one either because let's face it, how are you going to put it on? This is Orion from Bikester Global and I'm going to show you how to pick out the perfect size for you. Step 1 of 3, measuring the circumference of your head. Now you got to make sure that you don't measure it in a straight line. What you want to do is you want to take it from right above your eyebrows all the way down to the back of your nape, and that's how you measure the right size. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the size of your head, you're going to go on our website and you're going to check out our size charts, but you got to remember every brand has a different size chart, so you're going to have to choose your brand accordingly along with the measurement. For example, my colleague Vivian has a head size of 56, so he'd probably fit in a medium in LS2. Point number 2 of 3, choosing the right fit. You don't want to wear a loose helmet because it's going to end up being really wobbly and you don't want it to sit too low, especially when you're riding at high speeds. It's going to cause a lot of vision problems. So what you're going to do is you're going to wear the helmet, shake your head side to side. If it wobbles, it's not the one for you. You want it to sit really tight and hug your face. Point number 3 of 3, learning how to put your helmet on the right way. A lot of people give up halfway when trying to put a helmet on because they have a hard time getting it to fit, but that's not the case for most. Ideally, the helmet should be put on from the back of your head rather than the top, and that's the part that confuses most people when trying to purchase a helmet. And just like our previous point, you do not want your helmet to sit too low even if it's the perfect fit. So here's what you do. Take the length of one finger and place it in between your eyebrows and the lid of the helmet, and that's how it's supposed to be worn. So anyways, I hope this video helped you find the perfect size helmet for you. If you're looking for more accessories for your bike or for yourself, you can find it on bikesterglobal.com. The link in the description below.